Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Lyra here. In today's video, we're going to do another unboxing guys. But this time, kakaiba yung unboxing na to guys. Hindi siya sapatos bag or anything guys. So this is quite different. And excited ako to try this product. Kasi, kailangan ko siya. This would be exciting for me to review this product. So I'm talking about... Wala pa pala guys, hindi pa pala ako makita kung ano siya. I-unbox natin siya para malaman natin kung ano yung loob. And let's start to talk pag nakita na natin ng laman. Delivery wise, 3 days lang siya guys. Ang bilis nila, sobra. Today guys, we're going to talk about this product. Dermadry. Excited ako. So guys, if you're suffering from excess sweating, sobrang pagpapawis. So, it's treat excessive sweating hyperhidrosis. Yun yung sobrang pagpapawis. Hindi na siya normal. Of the hands, feet, and underarms. I'm actually really happy guys na merong underarms. Which is, I don't suffer with underarms naman. Only sometimes when the weather is so hot. Pero yung hands ko, pag nervous ako, yes, I do get sweaty hands. My feet is, that's my problem guys. When Dermadry sent me email and asked me if I want to dry, I was like, really? May ganong machine na so maggagamot ng sobrang pagpapawis, like that's going to be cool. Kasi problema yan ng madami, lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino. Sobrang problema natin to guys. Ay, yung kapitbahay namin, naalala ko, tuwing maggaganyan siya ng kamay niya, tumutulo talaga. So this would be really good pag nag-work siya, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Binigyan nila ako guys ng total set na siya, but you can buy separate. Kung problema nyo kilikili lang, then you just buy the tools para lang sa kilikili. If you have problem with your hands lang, you can do that as well. Yung para lang sa kamay. It's for your hands, feet, and underarm na. Katulad ko guys, di ako masyadong nagsusuot ng shoes. Kung napapansin nyo, it's because I have very sweaty feet. It's not very comfy, or sometimes it's embarrassing, like kung mayroon kang sweaty hands and then you shake someone's hand, tapos sabi like, ano ba yan, ba't ka babasa ang kamay mo, or yung paa mo pag nagsushoes ka, tapos pawisin, mangangamoy. I'm suffering with very sweaty feet, and hindi naman siya masama, ay hindi naman siya worse, but hindi siya kaya pag may sapatos guys. It's going to be sweaty and sticky, so hindi ako komportable. That's why you see me all the time wearing slippers. Kasi ganun nga problema ko sa paa. Sobrang basa lagi. Sometimes pag sobrang init naman, pinagpapawisan din ako sa kilikili, pero hindi siya masyado. Yung paa ko talaga is worse. Kaya nung minessage ako ng Dermadry and they asked me if I want to try their product, I said like, yes please. I never had idea na pwede palang gamutin yun guys. As in, totoo, no idea that you can actually cure or kung merong any machine na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo with your problem. Excited din ako to guys i-share sa pamilya ko kasi yung kapatid kong lalaki is same kami ng problema. Very sweaty yung paa niya. Malaking tulong siya pag nag-work. Hindi siya mura guys. Medyo may kamahalan siya, pero pag pumunta kayo ng doktor, mas mahal. Alam ko, Botox guys ang gamot para doon. Pero expensive siya. So, if this machine is going to work guys, it would be like cheaper way. At the same time, you can share it with your family. So, if you're a family, you can guys share. Kasi pwede naman siyang hugasan. Hygienic naman siya. Dapat, hugasan ng maayos. Yan. So diba? If this gadget's going to work, guys, then masaya to. So, let's do unboxing. Ibaba ko kayo konti para makita niyo yung aking pag-unbox. Okay. Unbox na natin, guys. Meron na tayo ditong 3 gadgets. Ooh! This is cool. And ito na siya, guys! Yay! Nasa plastic case siya, which is really good. Maproprotektahan yung gadgets mo. Hindi siya mababasag o whatsoever. Tapos nakalagay dito is Dermadry. And that's, hindi ko guys alam kung nakikita nyo ako. Ayan. So, meron tayong ditong 4 na pads. I think ito yung para sa kilikili. Yan. Tapos, meron tayo dito yung cable. And then, another wire. Tapos, ano pa ba dito? Dalawang metal na square. I think ito yung nilalagay sa underarm. Okay. Yan. And the machine itself. Ito na yung machine, guys. Okay. So, yan na siya. And then, meron tayo ditong book. Nandito yung schedule at saka yung how to use it. Meron tayo ditong dalawang metal plates. Plates ba tawag yan? Long metal plates. Yan. I'm guessing ito yung para sa mga paa or kamay. And dalawang towels. So, yun na siya, guys. Yun yung kanyang sets. So, ngayon, ask natin si Tony, tulungan tayo for the demo. While I'm talking about this, guys, yung paa ko is nagpapawis na talaga siya. So, I can't show you now kasi hindi naman talaga makikita kung basa talaga. But, yes, at the moment, nagpapawis siya. So, I'm excited na itry na to. Definitely need nyo basahin to, guys, kasi may mga bawal at saka hindi pwedeng gawin. So, before to use the products, guys, please read nyo muna yung instructions. Right. So, basahin maigi. Kasi marami siyang warnings. At saka hindi pwedeng gawin kung sakaling ikaw ay may ganun, may ganito, may ganyan. Yeah. And it's not suitable for kids. Ililive ko rin down in the description box ang link ng Dermadry and please i-check nyo yung website nila kung interesado kayo. And I'll let you know in the next few weeks, guys, kung anong improvement or kung meron bang improvement yung aking paa and kay Tony kilikili. Okay! Yun lang, guys. Meron tayong model for today. Yun. Siya ang ating model ng underarm. And yeah.
You will.
I hope.
Oh yeah. I hope it works.
I hope it works. Yeah, we'll let you know in a few weeks.
I'm going to do some concreting and see what happens. Good night.
Please please subscribe if you like this video and hope to see you in my next one.
Yes.
Thank you, Dermadry.
Yes, wonderful. I hope it's going to be successful.
Peace.